world, we could invest in something that would give us potentially genuine economic stability, and that would be our bright kids, regardless of where they come from, regardless. As I said, I was brought up on a council estate. I went to a grammar school, I went to Oxford. Now I am perfectly prepared to admit and accept that the grammar school system may be not fit for purpose anymore. But the fact that we now have a system agreed by all three political parties where you cannot select on the basis of academic merit is jaw-dropping. You can, if you're good at sport, if you're good at acting, if you're good at almost anything, now you can have an academy that will select for you, but not if you're bright. So where are these bright people going to go, and where are they going to, how are we going to end up with a group of highly educated, highly skilled workforce that is going to get us out of all this, that is going to make these technological advances that everybody seems to be thinking is going to come around the corner in 20 or 30 years' time. That's so often that happens. When you talk to politicians, well, how are we going to do it? How are we going to do it in 2030 or 2040 when, according to the Climate Change Act, the real cuts are going to have to start coming? Oh, well, we'll see our way, we'll think our way out of it. Well, who's doing the thinking? Because we're not allowing people at the moment. The reason we have a shadow cabinet and a cabinet, or all three parties, which are almost identikit, is because we now have a system where it's much more difficult for poor, bright kids to have the advantages that I certainly had.